In this video lecture, I'm going to teach you about infinite loop in C programming language. Okay, so let's go here and look at another type of loop system called infinite loop. So this kind of loop system runs forever. In fact, it's very hard to control. Whenever you set this loop, it goes on and on till eternity. That is why it's called infinite. So you can't be able to control it. So let's go ahead and check it out. So I'm going to say for, and inside here I'm going to put double semicolon. So whenever I have double semicolon inside of for, then it means you're setting this loop to an infinite, and whatever you put inside here is going to run forever. Now, let's go ahead and say, maybe you want to print at this. So I'm going to say print f, and I'm going to say this is an infinite loop system. So this is an infinite loop system. So this is not loop, but loop. Alright. And one is to move on to the next line. So go ahead and put next. And that is all. For this example here, put a comma, a semicolon at the end. So it's going to print out, this is an infinite loop system. Millions of times. Go ahead and run this code and check it out. So you can see that it keep printing this, even when it's considered this arrow keeps moving. Alright. So how you can see that the arrow keeps moving to show you that this is still printing. And even if you enlarge this and cover the entire screen, you can see that it keeps printing down there. So it is forever loop system. So call that forever loop system. So the only thing you can do is to close this program and run it again. And to keep working. So this is how to create an infinite loop. So imagine you want to write a program that will work forever. Nobody will ever touch that. It will keep running and keep running and keep running. So you go ahead and use a for and put double semicolon inside there, and the program will run forever. So this is all about infinite loop system, and you can go ahead and pull it down and check it out and make sure you have something good like mine. And if you have any question on this video lecture, please use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.